Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Revive.Md membership. So there are three methods by which you can easily cancel your membership. So the first method is like very easy. First of all, what you have to do, you need to call their customer support team, okay? And their customer support phone number is available on their official website, terms and condition page. I will provide you this link in our video description box. And you need to provide at least 2 or 3 days business days notice period, and because if you don't want to you can charges on your account, okay? So make sure you are going to cancel your subscription or membership at least 1 or 2 or 3 days prior to your next billing date, okay? You need to call their customer support team, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your membership program, and they will cancel your membership, okay? So if we talk about like the second method is also very easy. You need to compose an email. In the email you need to compose you want to cancel your membership with Revive.Md, and in the subject section you need to provide your name, your membership starting date, end date, and you need to provide reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And once you get each and everything, once you compose the proper email, you need to send this email at their email address, that is like info@ something like this. You can see the email at their this page also, okay? The same email, the same phone number I will also provide you in the description box, or the link is also in the description box, okay? And if you don't get any reply from their side, it means your subscription or membership is still active, okay? So you need to keep in touch with the customer support to getting update related to membership, okay? So the third method is very easy. You need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to go to on your user profile. You need to select membership and then click cancel under membership actions, okay? So by using these three ways you can easily cancel your Revive.Md membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.